Hey y'all, how you doing today? Today, I'm about to do some quick work in the bathroom and work on the floor. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to do, and we're going to get this started. All right. So as you can see, it's the bathroom. So I'm going to work on this floor right here. So as you can see, the level in the shower. So what I'm going to do today is just kind of level it out, put some concrete in here, level the floor out, and then do the slope towards the drain after I put the liner in there. Okay, so I'll walk you guys back here to what I'm going to be doing. Is it's a mixture of concrete. This is what I'm going to be using, the Quick Creek mortar mix, and I'm going to do one bag at a time because I don't want to have too much extra. So I'm going to mix that in here, and then we're going to put it in there. So stay tuned.
So I got the water. I'm put some water in here. so it took about 3 minutes to mix this real good, and this is just one bag. So I'm just using one bag right now. I'm gonna put the bag in there and see if I need to mix another bag. I don't want to waste anything, so it's already mixed pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the bathroom and finish putting it down on the floor. Okay? Start from the back, work my way to the front. So I made this 2x4 and a piece of 2x4 I was cut in half, and I'm going to use that on the floor here. So the goal is to, level this stuff out. And have it compacted real good.
Okay, so the camera died, so I finished up what I was doing, and I wanted to show you guys, you know, what I was doing, and then I need to smooth out the concrete. I let it sit for a little bit so I can come back and smooth it out, and then you guys can see that too. Okay, so 1 second, and I'm gonna flip the camera around, and we're gonna take a look and finish up this for the night.
Alright, so I only got the sponge, and I'm just gonna smooth over this a little bit before it completely dries off. Alright.
So as you can see, I ran the sponge over the floor, and I'm gonna let it sit. Come on, just go out of focus here. So I'm gonna let it sit for maybe a day or two. Then I'm gonna come and put the liner in there and try to finish up the process so I can go to the next step. Because I'm trying to finish up this bathroom and finish the floors at around the same time, the floor in the basement around the same time. So I need to finish up this room before I can go to my next phase. All right, so I want to say thanks for watching. There you go. I want to say thanks for watching. You know, I'm not handy. I always say this. I'm not handy. Thanks for watching. I'm not a professional. I'm just handy. So a lot of things I can do, and the things that I know how to do well, I try to do them when I have the time. And the things that I don't know how to do or I don't feel comfortable doing, I always hire a professional. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I got lots of videos that are coming. I just gotta try to do my best to get them posted. But I love you guys. Hey everybody, how you guys doing? As you can see, this is what I did yesterday. It's been almost 24 hours. And in the basement here, it's not as dry air, so it's a little humid down here. But this stuff is pretty much dried. And I have over here is what they call it, goof-proof shower. So you put this down in there and you can kind of get the pitch right. So I got this off of eBay over a year ago. So it's been sitting in my basement for some time now. So like to say, pre-engineered for professionals. Novice or do-it-yourself. So I'm a do-it-yourself guy. So we're gonna put this in here and get it all set up, and then I'll be right back. Hey y'all, how you guys doing today? I've been messing around with this stuff here, as you can see. I only bought 6. The box I bought came with 6 pieces, and so I have 1 left over. I really need another one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, I got it like that. So it's gonna, because it's a longer angle, so I think this is more important. Because this is a longer angle. So I got this part and this, and then I got these 2 pieces in here. So I think that should be okay to give me the angle I need to make sure the water run down the drain. I should be able to, manage it over there that way and get the water to run down the drain. So I don't feel like doing any more stuff today. So I'm gonna wrap this up, go and take a shower and do some video editing, and I'll pick this up another time. Love y'all.